Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, De Alejo Videos. Today I will explain how to bend this kind of pipe, plastic pipes, without not heating, okay? Just bend with a spring. Look at this. This is a scissors. We use this system. This is a joint to get a 90 degrees in the installations. So you can join here and you have this curve, okay? But imagine if you don't want to use it, you can use the next system. Look at this. You have a spring, you insert the spring here, and once the spring is inside of the pipe, you can bend it without not heating. Like this. Once the pipe is bent, you just take off the spring. And that's all. The plastic pipe is bent without no problem. Then you can use it this. This is a hole for a screw, and you can join to the wall. Okay, that's all. Sorry for my bad English. I'm just practicing. And that's all. Bye. Subscribe to my channel if you want. Nothing else. Bye.